Hey guys, so quick video for you for the vacuum cleaner G30 Max, like the pros and cons to be aware of if you want to actually like use it. So first thing first, you have like powerful suction for it. You like 280 is very good. Also smart dirt detection, so automatic suction power adjustment. Then a long battery life, about like 4,000 battery, but we're really aware like the more you're gonna use it, it's going to get like more use. Now I've been using Xiaomi vacuum cleaners for like a long time right now, and they're like been always, I'm very satisfied with them. But the more you're gonna use it, you will sense is that the battery is just going to get weaker. Filtration is great too. Plenty of attachments that you can actually get with it, so that's a good thing if you want to like actually get it. But what about the kind of like cons, even like dock you so now another thing is you can see like do you see like what you can do with it. So that's good that you can like clean it that way. I mean, that's insane. And plenty of like things that you can like use it for. But again, what are the cons? Dry vacuum only is dry vacuum cleaner. Sucking up liquids or wet waste is not going to work. It can damage the machine. Turbo mode drains battery faster. This is like standard thing. And requires regular filter maintenance, and blockage protection stops the machine if foreign matter is serious blockage occurs. No app or smart home community, and that's pretty much it. So it's like it's good for testing out for yourself. I mean, I don't know if you're from the Europe that you can get like 14-day money back guarantee, but it's not a bad product. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.